Merry meet everyone. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and I'm here with your weekly reading. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I sure did. It was pretty much like the cards mentioned. It was just beautiful. It was very enlightening and it was very decisive. Very decisive. It was a very decisive weekend. I hope you had a great weekend too. Alright, and now for the week Monday and Tuesday. The Chariot. You seem to have more than one options or more than one path to follow, and the fact is right now you seem quite confused, but you will very fast, very soon reach a space where this confusion will kind of end, and you'll come into a place of power where you realize exactly what you want to do. It is extremely important that you allow yourself to come to this space, because half the time we get scared. Oh my god, is this really the right decision? Should I just go ahead and take it? Should I not? Lucky are those who say, okay, this is what I want to do and that's it. But because of everything that's happening, we just we're kind of getting confusing signs from the universe right now also, or that is what we feel, because Mercury was retrograde. It's finally going direct today, so communication will improve. So the more we communicate with each other, especially our colleagues, the differences between colleagues are going to be very apparent Monday and Tuesday. So when you find your path, be sure that you start working on it almost immediately, because then Wednesday brings in absolute brightness. The sun. Wednesday is going to be a really beautiful and bright day. It is going to be a day that sheds light on every crevice of the issue that you want to know about. Anything that you had any doubts about, Wednesday is the day to completely just clear those out. And it is extremely important for you to keep one thing in mind. Just the fact that Wednesday is such a beautiful day, don't just take it for granted and say, okay, fine, and I've got it and I'm done. No. Wednesday is giving you the opportunity to celebrate this finding. We take the good things for granted and we make an issue out of the not so good things, which is normally how we behave. It's normal human behavior. But Wednesday is giving you the opportunity to say, oh my god, I found it, and I'm going to celebrate the fact that I found it. Osho said something very beautiful. He said, if you forget, it's all right. You don't have to fret about it. But celebrate the moment that you remember it. And don't delay, start doing it immediately. So celebrate the fact that you're happy. Celebrate the fact that you can enjoy yourself. Okay? That is Wednesday for you. Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday is the Ace of Wands, and the Ace of Wands is utmost energy. If you really do Wednesday the way the cards are suggesting, Thursday and Friday is naturally going to be very full of energy. It is going to be absolutely beautiful when it comes to using this energy in a positive manner. You're going to have new energetic beginnings. You're going to have new beginnings all around on Thursday and Friday. Also, it would be kind of nice if you would do a lot of physical work on these 2 days. Even if you're sitting at the desk, if you have a desk job, it is still important for you to get up and do a lot of physical work. A visit to the doctor may not be a bad idea on Thursday and Friday, because you might just want to check stuff. Getting a new gym membership, or starting yoga classes, or starting dance classes, or tai chi class, something that moves you around is going to be important. And like I said, it's a new beginning. New beginning. Also, there is a shift in your meditative energy, your spiritual energy. It is rising. Okay, because I believe that Venus is also going straight, if I'm not mistaken. Don't take my word for it, figure it out, but I think that's what it is. And this also represents sexuality. So there is going to be a rise in sexuality over Thursday and Friday. So enjoy yourself, have a great Thursday and Friday. It's a lot of fun, and it continues with the same energy of celebration from Wednesday, right? Now let's see what the flower oracle has to say. Yeah, I don't think you can read it. It's not very clear. It says new beginnings, just what Thursday and Friday was talking about. It's called Bankshika. Bankshia. Bankshia. Very bad at pronouncing this. It says take an opportunity to rise from the ashes stronger and more determined. Oh my god, can it be like more perfect? The week exactly talks to us about that. Monday and Tuesday being a little slow. Wednesday and Thursday and Friday are energetic and they're beautiful and they're helping you do what you want to do. Overall, this is a very masculine sort of energy week. A week where you're a go-getter, you're doing your thing, and try and spend some time in the sun. It's also talking about vitamin D. You get it from sunlight, so just spend some time in the sun. And of course, golden, yellow, red, these are very good colors. The crystals that you can use for this weekend to meditate with is a sunstone, carnelian, and yellow jasper. All those that the sunshade, they are the ones that you want to meditate with. If you have any questions about this, be sure to tell me. Be sure to ask me under the video. I have left few details there. Blue is also a color that you might want to consider. Sorry, it's a late input. All said and done, it's a great week. Have a great time, and do not forget to celebrate. Take care, and I love you guys. I'll see you over the weekend. Bye bye.